our pullback toy car. Pull it back, and it propels forward. Now let's check what's under the hood. Not much, but let's get the body away. Move away the windows, the windshield. Let's see what we have here. Move the seats away, and we have our console with our radio, speedometer. We also have a working steering wheel and handbrake, as you see. And as we move all those away, we could see what we really have, where the magic happens. Move the casing away, see the gears wind back, and they turn in ratio, and then the gears move back forward as it propels forward. And here's our spring, which powers the motor. And if you notice over here, there's a little slot that lets the gear move back while it's winding up or down. And everything comes back. Put everything right back together. And once again, we see the car pulls back. The gears wind up, the spring winds up, and then it could propel right forward.